Good morning. Today's job, today we're gonna be cutting down a whole row of pine trees. Come check it out. This whole project started because of this one dead red pine. And then the closer we started looking at it, there's not many live branches on these trees. And then this neighbor was very concerned about these white pines because this pine tree has had some tops break out of it in the past. As you can see, it's a tri-top now, which can be a little bit sketchy. And this tree is leaning right towards the neighbor's house. The soil is actually humped up a little bit here, a bit concerning. So we're doing a full-on tree line delete here. We're taking down these 2 spruces, the 3 white pines, and we've got the 4 red pines and that 1 spruce at the end. Time check.
There we go.
10:12. How long do you think this job is going to take? Spencer says about 3 hours, so 11, 12, 1. We should be out of here by 2 o'clock, hopefully. We're not grinding any stumps. Pretty ideal situation with the Merlo, very little plywood. We're just going to grab everything, set it behind that chipper, feed everything into the chipper with the Avant. Let's go. on over and check it out. We got a full chipper truck here, so we got another chipper truck coming in. We already filled up one truck that size, so 50 yards of chips. We got another one coming in, but we got all those trees cut down. The whole row is gone, and we'll do a little time check here. 11:54. I forget what the other time was, but I think it took us around 2 hours or less. Time check.
There we go.
10:12. But that's good because it gives us a little bit extra time to go home and wash equipment. Look at how salty everything is getting. Oh, that drives me crazy. I hate dirty equipment. On to the next.
Driving it a long ways away and then taking it all the way back up the mountain. I think there's 5 of us and like 6 machines. So we're trying to be as efficient as we can. So I'm gonna pull a bunch of big tubes.